I'm making my Memaw's chicken and dumplings. I haven't made these in about 20 years, so I'm going to give them a try again and see how they turn out. They're very simple, so I think they're going to be the best tasting, the easiest, the quickest, the most simple recipe you've ever seen. So I have already cooked my chicken, and I like just white meat, but you can use any part of the chicken that you want to. So I've already shredded that and just have it sitting to the side. And this is the water that I had boiled my chicken in. So I have it. I'm going to pour in some chicken stock. This is going to give it some good flavor. And I probably used about half of this, and this is 32 ounces. I'm going to bring that up to a boil. I hope these turn out as good as my Memaws used to be. So I'm using just canned biscuits. And you literally just pinch it off and drop it in. Pinch and drop. Just about that big. While the water and the chicken stock is boiling. And I remember my Memaw telling me not to stir them, but to just push them down. Just push them down. Okay, that was one can, and I think I'm going to make 2 cans. How easy is that? And I'm going to let these boil for probably maybe just 5 to 10 minutes. Just let the ones that I put in last cook, get done. Just dip those down in. Give them a chance to plump up. And I'm going to add a little pepper. Now I'm going to add my chicken back in. I think I'll add a little more broth. They're looking kind of thick. So this is just kind of a, not really a recipe, but just how thick you think they ought to be. And that looks pretty good. And they're done. Look at this. That is good. That's just like I remember. That's good.